feel so cute and hot in this hairstyle, you don't even know. Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Nyoero, and if you've been here, thank you so much for always supporting me. So today's video is quite interesting. Yes, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install this cute butterfly locks. So yeah, it's something that took me like an hour and 30 minutes. So guys, make sure you watch till the end to see how I got to achieve this hairstyle, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below on what you think about this hairstyle. Yes guys, I'll be looking forward to your feedback and comments and all that. So without no further ado, let's head to the video. Okay, let's just get into it. First and foremost, my hair is already moisturized and washed and all that. That's why I had 4 matutas on my head. Yes, so I was doing box braids at the front. I separated my hair into 2, the front part and the back part. So I'm going to do the illusion individual method at the front, then cornrows at the back, because yeah, I really didn't think I could do box braids on my whole head because it's quite tiresome. So after doing my box braids, I joined the box braids into a cornrow. If you're familiar with the kamatana, then yeah, you know what I'm saying. So if you can actually do kamatana, if you can't do kamatana, you can just do the box braids like I did and join them with the rubber band so that they can look like they are cornrowish. I don't know if you guys understand me, but this is something visual, so it's not hard to understand. And also at the front, I used my edge wax to protect my edges from damages and all that. And all these products are from Natural Like Kenya. Okay, for those who are not going to understand how I conjoined my cornrows at the front with the cornrows at the back, after joining the box braid into a cornrow, I took 2 cornrows and join them into 1 cornrow at the back, because the back does not need as much hair as the front. So I had 5 cornrows at the back and 10 cornrows at the front. So I hope you guys understand why I did that for this tutorial. So anytime you're doing your crochet braids, make sure the back does not have as much hair as the front, because it's going to look ugly. And my cornrows are also ugly. Remember, I have long nails, so yeah, I didn't have the capability of doing really cute cornrows. And as you can see, these crochet braids have small loops. I'm going to explain later on how to make bigger loops. I use the Ginny Love hair growth butter to moisturize my hair. It's very important to moisturize your hair, because you need to protect your hair from breakage and being dry. So while creating your loop, just pass your crochet needle through your loophole, then just pull the braid downwards, or just try and enlarge the hole as much as you can have a bigger loophole for the crochet braid to pass through. So this is really important, because while having the small loopholes, you're going to have struggles while passing the crochet braid through, and it's also going to be really painful for you. So to avoid all that, make sure you do this before installing. I think this was the most trickiest part for this tutorial, but it's really easy. And don't forget to comment down below on what you think. Is this something you would try out? Because personally, I feel like this saves a lot of time, because wrapping really takes a lot of energy and time. So this is really convenient for someone who has no patience to wait, or if you really don't have time to do your hair the whole day. So yeah guys, I hope you love this video, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Until our next video, see ya. So sadly, this is the end of our video, and I hope you guys loved this video, because yeah, you can get this here from Natural Hair Kenya. Like always, they are the plug. Yes, 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 yes. They are very easy to install and very quick. You don't have to sit down for hours doing your butterfly locks when you have these crochet braids. Yes, so guys, I've plugged you in, and I only used 4 packs. I used complete 4 packs for this look, and it looks this full and cute and amazing. I personally feel like it saves a lot of time, and it's painless, and you don't have to do individual box braids around your head so that you can crochet, so it's not going to take you too much time to install them. So guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Also, you can share my video to anyone you think it's going to help. Yes. So yeah, until our next video guys, bye.